If you want to safely eject your USB flash drive on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, then the first thing that you can do is go to notifications, because most of the time you can find a silent notification about the flash drive or the USB device that is connected to your phone. So in this case, we can tap on this arrow over here on the right side in order to find the eject option. And if you tap over here, after a couple of seconds, the USB device should be ejected, and you can then safely remove the flash drive or the device. Now, if you, for some reason, if you don't have the notification, then you can go to settings on your phone, and after that you should be able to find storage over here, where we have this device we need to tap in order to switch to your USB device. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we have eject option. So tap over here, and now we can safely remove the flash drive or USB storage, of course. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!